Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day, but with the headlines and all the hoopla with the stimulus, I mean, there's always going to be some drama here. But really, the question becomes, well, how can you best kind of just cut through the drama? How can you really focus on what matters? And in my mind, going forward, and just trying to apply the KISS method here, there are two very well-known levels that stand out. So I'm not trying to come across like this is a great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special talent. I assure you the levels that I'm looking at, a lot of other people are looking at. And the reason I emphasize all that is because when a lot of people are looking at the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, both longs and shorts, is 342.75. Actually, let me change that to green to represent the support area. But going through the history of the chart, you can see that this area here has provided support on a couple of different occasions, and this was actually a former area of resistance. So a classic example of a resistance then acting as support. But the point here being is, while nothing is guaranteed, it is a more than valid, is it a more than rational thought process to have that, you know what, if the price actually comes down to that area and breaks down through it, the breaking of that area could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's going to be a level that, like I said, a lot of people will be watching, and rightfully so. That's a more than rational area to be watching. If that level cannot quite hold up, then at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price drift down to at least the 341 mark, if not even lower than that. On the flip side of things, though, the other level that a lot of people will be watching is that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the well-known 50-period moving average. And same principle. Breakout players are going to be watching that level, and if the price can actually get up through there, while not guaranteed, it's valid to think that that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, because that would be a technical breakout. So keep an eye on that 50-period moving average. That's going to also be a very important level to watch moving forward. But as of right now, lots of drama out there, but let's see how the price reacts relative to these key technical areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.